We're going to dive into this navigation here. First things first, this is currently my folder here with the Ionic grid. This is the one I used last time, and here you see I only have 3. If you recreated your home folder, you will have 4 files, and that's kind of what we need. But if you don't, you have to follow the steps I'm going to do now. And if you do have these 4s, it says home.module.ts, then you can skip this next part, of course. But we kind of just want to delete this because we want the system to create this file. We can do it ourselves, but then we have to write the code, and I'm really lazy, so I don't want to. I just copied this to another web storm, so I can just paste it in again. So that's, if it goes fast, that's why. But right now I'm just going to delete my home folder over here. Yes, delete. And I'm going to make sure that I'm in the correct folder. I'm in my Ionic folder down here. And I'm going to use Ionic to generate a new page for me. And I'm going to call it home. So Ionic generate page, which is the page we're going to use, and the name of this. So it's going to be called home. This is really fast, and now it generated this home page for me. So if I click pages again, I can expand, and now whoop-de-doo, I have this file. I am now quickly going to, I'm just going to delete, sorry about that. Just going to remove those 2 and open my home. Right now this is the standard version. Because I'm a cheater, I already have the code that I need here. I just copy pasted this from the previous one we just had. I'm pasting this back in. And also I am stealing my CSS for what I had for this styling this grid system here. So let's go to the CSS as well between these 2 pages and paste this in. So this is really pretty right now. This is kind of what I left you off with before. As you can see the background here, this is the design that will actually generate. But let's just boot this up to make sure that everything is cool before we continue with this part. So doing the Ionic serve to start up Ionic projects, and again, if for some reason your design is not updating or whatever you're doing, make sure that this Ionic serve is running. So right now it's booting it up, and here we go. So back to normal, kind of. I changed the colors a little bit from last time because the colors were really annoying my eyes. It's not really better here, but easier to look at least. That's the first thing we have. Now we are making a navigation. That means we need to have like multiple pages. So of course we need to, down here, make a new page. Now right now this is running in Ionic, right? We just started our server down here, so we can't write new stuff. That is true, but you can see the little plus icon here. Create new terminal session. Click that so you have 2. This one is running your Ionic, and here you can actually start creating new stuff or navigating through things again. So we're going to create a new page, and we're going to create Ionic generate the page, and I'm going to call it sub for sub pages. I don't want to write sub pages because I'm lazy. So just call it sub or whatever you want. Just make sure if you change it to like about us, that everywhere I write sub, you need to write about us, of course. So you can see up here now we have also a page called sub. That's kind of maybe a bad word because I'm going to say sub a lot. Anyways, that's kind of what we need to do for the first thing. Create a new pages, get them ready, and in the next video we're going to be looking at the navigation, where to find this and how we can actually structure this.